The portable steam cleaner 2500 watts offers a powerful cleaning solution with its high wattage and rapid heat-up time, reaching high temperatures quickly to tackle tough dirt and grime. Its ergonomic design includes a remote-controlled handle with adjustable steam levels, allowing users to customize the intensity for different cleaning tasks. With a large 1,600 milliliter tank, this steam cleaner ensures prolonged cleaning sessions without the need for frequent refills, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The extensive accessory set featuring 16 versatile attachments makes it a highly adaptable tool for cleaning a wide range of surfaces and areas. This steam cleaner is designed for multi-purpose use, efficiently cleaning everything from kitchen appliances to car interiors, making it a versatile addition to any household. The thoughtful design includes a long power cord and steam hose, providing flexibility and ease when cleaning hard-to-reach areas.